Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Something Artistic with an amazing and exciting mosaic art technique with mirrors. You wouldn't believe that I'm using vase broken mirror for this project. Watch this video till end and see how I transform this trash into treasure. So let's start the creativity. Here I'm using cardboard sheet for base. You can also use canvas. Using masking tape to cover the edges. For quite some time I really want to add these type of aesthetic beautiful leaves in my project. So today is a day. Okay, when I am working with cardboard for my projects, I always prefer masking tape to clean the edges. It gives a finishing to my project. I found this broken mirror from my storeroom. I'm going to use these pieces for mosaic art and I'm quite sure that it's going to look beautiful. Now here I'm pasting these mirror with the white glue. You can also use glue gun. Okay, after pasting these mirrors, here I am going to make texture paste using chalk powder, some PVC glue and some water. Mix this paste with the white acrylic paint. Now applying this paste on mirrors and carefully fill all the gaps between mirrors. Okay, now cover all the remaining area with this paste and now I'm making some texture with my hair color brush. After drying it for 24 hours, now I am going to wipe the paste from mirrors with wet cloth. I think I'm going to repeat this process 2 to 3 times to completely clean the mirrors. Firstly, I'm going to give it a white wash. Then I'm making some patterns with the different colors. Here I'm using acrylic paint for this process. I think it's going to look amazing. What do you think? Please let me know in comment box down below. So here's the final product. I really enjoy the process of making it. I'm quite happy how it came out. I love adding these different patterns with different colors in this project. Now it's time to look forward to my second project, which is also a mosaic art with mirror and canvas. Here I'm placing these mirrors according to my design. Really want to tell you guys that this process is really satisfying for me I enjoyed a lot while making it. Again, making this texture paste with the chalk powder, PVC glue and some water. Adding violet acrylic color to make it colorful. Some white and portrait also. Wipe the excessive texture paste. Remove the paste from mirrors with wet cloth. So these are my two easy mosaic wall art ideas. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know how you like these ideas. See you in my next video next week. So subscribe my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to hit bell icon so you can easily find my video next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye.